how to turn on or turn off spelling correction on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. And in here, we scroll down and tap on spelling correction. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on spelling correction. Once it is turned on, you can also change the language for the spelling correction. By default, it is using the system languages. If you have another language that you preferred, then you can choose those. So for example, French, I can choose French. And that's it. So the spelling correction will now be focusing on the French language. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.